Good day, CAH-kabsat. Our journey towards discovery starts here. Umali kayo. We're going to talk about the history and tourism of Benguet. But first, let me share a little history of Benguet with you. Did you know that the name Benguet actually came from La Trinidad? It is used to be a lively settlement at the crossroads of trade. Back in the day, La Trinidad was ascertained around lake and filled with wildlife, carabaos, and crops like taro, rice, gabi, and kamote. In our next video, I'll be showing you more about strawberry farm. Stay tuned, CAH-kabsat!